So good night, good evening, everybody. My name is Muktamara Azidan, and we have my team members Lala Amira, Hilya Tulaulia, and Chalita. Today we are going to present about strategic capacity planning for improved production performance, a research that we got from insight that we got from Tintamas Tita Surya company in Sidoarjo. Next.
So before we discussing this project further, I would present the abstract first. So we chose PT Tintamas Tirta Surya as our research project. PT Tintamas Tirta Surya is a manufacturing company established on August 12, 2009 and began operation in March 2010. Located in the Sinar Gedangan Warehouse Complex, Block E19, Sidoarjo, East Java. The company specializes in producing water-based inks, particularly flexographic printing ink used in the corrugated cardboard box packaging industry. It also manufactures customized specialty inks based on client specifications. In its operation, the company faces several challenges, including fluctuating customer demand, limited production capacity, and suboptimal utilization of resources. Therefore, this study aims to explore and design a strategic capacity planning approach to help improve the overall production performance of the company. This research will examine the current production capacity, available technology, workforce size, and customer demand patterns. The findings are expected to provide practical and strategic recommendation for PT Tintamas Tirta Surya to optimize its production capacity, respond more effectively to market fluctuations, and enhance operational efficiency in a sustainable way. Next, for the theoretical review, for the first one is strategic capacity planning in manufacturing. This strategic capacity planning involves long-term decisions about how much production capacity a company needs to efficiently meet market demand over time. For a manufacturing company like PT Tintamas Tirta Surya, which produces a variety of specialized inks tailored to customer needs, it's crucial to consider both product diversity and customer requirements. Proper capacity planning helps the company balance resource availability and changing demand without wasting resources. And the second theoretical review is handling fluctuating demand in capacity planning. A significant challenge for Tintamas Tirta Surya company is the variable demand from customers, particularly in the corrugated box sector. Next, for the third theoretical review is the importance of technology and automation. Technology and automation are key factors in enhancing production capacity and operational efficiency. PT Tintamas Tirta Surya utilize computerized systems in their production process, which improve quality control and speed in producing water-based inks. With suitable technology, the company can increase production output and reduce cycle times, maximizing capacity without compromising quality. For the fourth theoretical review is workforce management and capacity use. The workforce is a vital resource in a production capacity, and PT Tintamas Tirta Surya must manage training, scheduling, and task assignment efficiently to ensure production capacity aligns with market demand. And the last theoretical review is effects of strategic capacity planning on production performance. Effective strategic capacity planning helps improve production by minimizing bottlenecks, enhancing efficiency, and making production more responsive to customer needs. For PT Tintamas Tirta Surya, this means optimizing production process to meet specific ink orders, boosting customer satisfaction, and strengthening its position in the printing ink market.
So here's the methodology that we use for this to delivering this assignment. So we start by creating a Google form for a company profile, and then next we prepare interview questions, and next conduct the interview with a Zoom meeting and also Google form. Then we collect interview data, create PowerPoint, and now we deliver the presentation. Next. So here's the company profile of PT Tintamas Tirta Surya, which a bit similar to the abstract that has been mentioned by Chalita. So PT Tintamas Tirta Surya was established on August 12, 2009 and began operations in March 2010. Headquartered in the Sinar Gedangan Warehouse Complex, Block E19, Jalan Raya Wedi Betro, Gemurung Village, Gedangan District, Sidoarjo Regency. And the company is a privately owned enterprise specializing in the production of water-based inks. PT Tintamas Tirta Surya primarily manufactures water-based flexographic ink for the corrugated cardboard box printing industry. In addition, the company also produces a variety of specialty inks tailored to customer specifications, demonstrating its commitment to meeting diverse client needs in the printing sector.
So next we discussing about the products and production process. Firstly, we can see this. This is all of the product variants. The most of the product is Intilox with higher quantity, 200 tons per year, and also following. Oftenly this quantity are counted yearly, annually, but it except the instinct edible ink because this is used for the election in Indonesia. So it appears based on job order. Next. Okay, so this is the production process. So Tintamas Tirta Surya applies product focus based on high volume and low variation. even though these products are made based on orders. So this company waits the order. After the order appears, they start to products. So based on this scenario, there's not really big need for the inventory. And the manufacturing process is the same for almost same for all different types of inks that are produced either for plants and consignment or those that are bulk. And for the production process, first is the after this is waiting for the order, after receiving the order, and then arranging the product planning, translate order into ink formula, like the composition, and refer to color guide like standard customer request, and then prepare raw materials based on the formula, and then move to the main activity that is the manufacturing process. When in those process, there's a quality check. After that, yeah, this final touch like packaging and labeling, and the product can be delivered. Next. Okay, for the production flexibility in flexible production design, by using flexible machine and production areas that can be used for several types of products, inks, and production process. This company also, Tintamas Tirta Surya, also use computerized production system that allow companies to manage production more efficient and flexible. And flexible, beside that, also there's a flexible employee training and development, allowing employees to work on different types of product and production processes. So we move to how the company optimize the production. First is production process analysis by identifying bottlenecks and reduce production time to improve the efficiency of the pump machine and minimize error. The second is process standardization, like creating a proper standard operating procedure for each type of ink, and also supported by employee training. And third is use of technology like the production management system to monitor and control the production process. Next. And the fourth is raw material engagement, like efficient procurement of raw material and ensuring that raw materials are available in sufficient quantities and with good quality, and also optimization of the use of raw material to reduce waste and save cost. The fifth is quality supervision, like ongoing the production process. There's a quality check, but in the final touch, there's a regular quality testing to ensure that as expected design, and also there's a ongoing process quality control. And the last is the collaboration and communication. This is about the in human resource and teamwork in human people that working inside that, including the teamwork and effective communication. So is there a periodic evaluation of the sustainability of current process strategy with market demands dynamic? So the periodic evaluation of sustainability of current process strategy with very high market demand dynamics, it's always applied with the company, with Tintamas Tirta Surya, to ensure that the company can meet customer needs and remain competitive. Next.
And next is the capacity of PT Tintamas Tirta Surya. So the first capacity is capacity planning, which effective and actual capacity calculations carried out for each type of ink. The calculation of the effective and actual capacity for each type of ink can be done by taking into account several factors, including theoretical capacity, which calculating the maximum theoretical production, machine downtime, which is the reduction of theoretical capacity. Setup time is required to change production from one type of ink to another. And last but not least is employee rest, which is reduced theoretical capacity with unavoidable employee rest time.
All right, moving on to the capacity issue. So for their inventory itself, their production is order-based production to minimize surplus, and also they have a experience in shortage. So the company has overcome very many problems on shortages, and they overcame this by adding tools and production power to increase the production capacity according to the development of the company's order. And for the bottleneck itself, which is the company's limited output that slows down the overall performance, it is usually caused by sudden power outage and the effect of the expedition demonstration and raw materials that were hampered from entering the company. And also the company minimizes obstacles by preparing backup power sources and increasing raw material stock for the short term. And then here are the insights of our interview. So first of all, the production system aligned with demand, where the company production system is made to order based on the client contract and to minimize surplus. And then product focus approach, where the company uses product focus strategy for high volume and low variation products. And last is flexible operation and workforce, where there are flexible machines, adaptable layout, and cross-trained staff that supports quick response to varying customer needs. And as for the conclusion, PT Tintamas Tirta Surya demonstrates a strong operational efficiency through demand-based production and product-focused strategy, So the current system support stable production, high flexibility, and also strong customer alignment. And however, long-term competitiveness requires embracing automation and technology upgrades, and alongside continuous risk management and workforce development. So here are the recommendations for PT Tinta Surya. Is first of all to invest in modern production technology, and then strengthen their operational risk management, and also last but not least is to evaluate low capacity production. Here's the references. Here's the documentation of our interview, and thank you so much for your attention. And that's it from us, and good evening, everyone.